My name is Caitlin Barrientos. I am Filipino. 38 years old. My work experience is Dubai, 2 years contract. I take care of kid, 2 years old, and I can do cleaning and laundry, cooking. And two experience is Saudi Arabia, 2 years contract. I take care kid of 5 years old. I can do cleaning, cooking, and laundry. And I have past employer here in Macau, 5 months. I taking care of 2 kids, send and pick up to the school. I can also clean and ironing the clothes, and also I cook the food, Chinese food. Thank you.